In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer files from OTG connected USB drive to Android phone. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is swipe up and you're going to see a lot of different options. You're going to see all your apps installed. But from here, go over to your files application. So just type in files if you can't find it, and it might also just be my files like mine is. And then from here, you're going to see your internal storage as one of the options, but you're also going to see your OTG USB drive. So go ahead and click on that. So if I want to transfer files from here over to my Android phone, all I got to do is find whichever files I want or folders. It doesn't really matter what you try and transfer. Then go ahead and press move on the bottom left, or I can press copy so it still stays in my USB drive. Then on the top, switch to internal storage and save it wherever I want. So for example, if I want it to be my album, go over to movies and then press copy here on the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.